Good morning, Pilipinas! So, mag-bake tayo ng brownies. So, for this brownie recipe, I'm using 8 pieces of Godiva chocolate that my friend gave to me. Thank you, Ate Dina, for sharing this chocolate with me. Okay. So, 8 pieces yung nilagay ko dyan. Then, ang tagal. Okay. So, 8 pieces yan. I'm using my favorite cake bowl. Diyan ako nag-mix. Or kapag yung ginagawa ko naman ay chiffon cake, dun ako sa mas malaki yung gray ko. Because I bought this in Walmart. 10 pieces yan. At iba't ibang sizes ng kabilugan. So, you just have to mix in your chocolates there. And parang kulang yan kasi 90 grams lang yung isang buong bar ng Godiva chocolate na yun. So, I was reminded that meron pa pala akong Hershey. So, why not use it? Hindi na ako masyadong kumakain ng chocolates. But I love using those chocolates sa aking mga binibake for my friends. And of course, I love to enjoy different types of pastries while having coffee in the morning or in the afternoon. Yan, so hinalo ko na rin dyan yung aking Hershey's. And I pop it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So after ng 1 minute and 30 seconds, lalambot na yung chocolate nyo. So while I was waiting for that, I prepared my dates. Yan, tanggalin yung buto. Then slice nyo lang yan. Kasi ihahalo natin yan sa ating brownie batter mix later. Yan, tanggalin yung buto at tanggalin nyo rin yung matigas sa ibabaw kasi ang sarap nitong dates for added extra sweetness sa inyong cake na hindi masyadong nakaka-guilty kainin because dates, it's a natural sweetener, healthy yan. Sometimes I just eat that with coffee o yun na yung aking dinner, pero hindi talaga mapigilan ang katabaan because it's nice to enjoy food with your friends. So we go out and nagbabanding kami at kinakain namin ang mga food na nakakawala ng stress pero nakakataba. Yan. So in-slice ko lang yan. Slice nyo pa siya ng mas maliliit kasi pag nahalo yan sa cake nyo, medyo malagkit siya. Yung brownie batter mix nyo, kapag na-bake na siya, para na siyang magiging energy bar. So you can just have a slice of it and that's good enough for dinner. Gayat lang ng gayat. Parang madali lang siya pag pinapanood sa mga videos, pero if you're going to show the entire process, matagal talaga yung pag-bake or pag-prepare ng cake. Pero sanay na lang din. Okay, so dito na lagay natin sa microwave yung ating chocolates, mga chocolate bars natin for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Medyo haluin nyo lang siya ng haluin hanggang sa lumambot na yung inyong mga chocolates. And after that, you will have to prepare your 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. Whenever I make brownies, I make sure that I have my brown sugar and white sugar kasi importante yung balance ng dalawa so you can reach the texture that you want in your brownie recipe. So it will be like fudgy and crunchy na brownies. Yun. So I have a jar of brown sugar and a jar of white sugar. Lagay lang natin yan. I have yung 1/4 cup. So 2 1/4 cup na brown ang aking ilalagay. Makikita nyo dyan. And prepare nyo na rin yung inyong white sugar. So 1/2 cup din ng ating brown sugar and white sugar. So it's a cup of sugar. It's overly sweet. Matamis yung chocolate. Matamis din yung mga sugar na nilalagay natin. Pero hindi naman yung pagkain natin ng mga ganitong klaseng sweet treats, it doesn't directly contribute to having diabetes. Dapat lahat in moderation yung ating kinakain. So, balance din. Do not overly eat the things that you love, kung pakonti-konti lang. And of course, I'm making that to share with my friends. Kasi we love to have coffee, or some of my friends don't drink coffee, but they try sometimes, but they enjoy having tea. Yan, yung egg, wag niyo akong gagayahin na I directly put the egg in that batter mix. What if yung egg nyo pala ay hindi maganda yung quality or may amoy siya, tapos nalagay nyo na sa cake nyo, nahalo nyo na, yun, sayang din siya. So what I mostly do, nilalagay ko siya sa bowl para ma-check mo na yung quality ng egg, and you have to put it one at a time. Ganun naman talaga yung usually ginagawa ko pag nagbe-bake ako. But dito, I just put my tripod on the countertop, and then nagmadali na akong mag-bake kasi I have to prepare other things or food for my friends. Yan, mix nyo muna, make sure na mix nyo completely yung egg bago nyo ilagay yung kasunod. So we have there 3 eggs. Again, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar, and then 3 eggs that you have to put one at a time. I did not put baking soda or baking powder here. Kasi ganyan lang siya. Ayoko siyang masyadong umalsa because I want that fudgy brownie consistency. So, mix lang natin yan. Tapos, add na natin yung 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour lang talaga yung ating ilalagay, not cake flour, not any other kind of flour. And I added a teaspoon of vanilla. Pero kung gusto nyo, kung gusto nyo naman ng alternatives sa vanilla para mas mabango yung inyong brownie, yung secret natin dyan ay instant coffee. You can add in a teaspoon of instant coffee, or pwede naman na 1/4 cup ng coffee mismo, black coffee, ilagay nyo. Mas ma-intensify niya yung flavor ng inyong brownies. Yung flour pala na ginamit ko, it's already sifted when I bought it from a grocery store here in the US. So, hindi ko na siya kailangang salain ulit. But if you want na kung pambenta nyo to at pambenta nyo siya at you think your customers are keen to texture or baka may maiwang puti-puti, pwede nyo na rin namang salain din ulit ang inyong flour. Just make sure to mix it completely na walang maiiwan ng mga lumps ng flour or harina sa inyong brownie mixture. There. So, haluin lang niyang maigi, and then you can add almonds, cashews, nuts. For this brownie recipe, I added dates and dark chocolate chips. And ready na yan. I always check the time. So, for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, I bake it for exactly 43 minutes. Huwag nyo na siyang pasobrahan. Tapos, tanggalin nyo agad siya sa oven after 43 minutes. Huwag nyo na siyang iiwan sa oven para hindi siya ma-overly cook or overly bake, Tapos, mawawala na yung kanyang moisture, mawawala yung kanyang pagka-fudgy ng inyong brownies. There you go. We're almost done. I'm so excited. Yan, super excited na ako dyan. And I lined in my parchment paper. Dapat siya sa brownie pan, yung square 4x4 na square pan. Pero okay na ako dito sa loaf para din makuha yung texture na hinahanap ko sa brownie. That's how it looks. That's it. Enjoy your cake and don't forget to prepare the strongest coffee na kaya kayong ipaglaban. Bye!